Hi loves! So if you are anything like me, then you have been online shopping a ton in quarantine because there's really nowhere to go, nowhere to get any sort of serotonin. I have resorted to online shopping because there's really nothing else to do. So I thought it would be a fun idea to look at my online shopping cart because I do this thing even in stores where I'll pick up something but I'll carry it around the store just in case like I don't actually want it, and if I want it by the time I went around the entire store then I'll buy it. Similar to online shopping, I'll do this thing where I'll put it in my cart, let it sit there and like marinate for a couple days, weeks, and rack up a very lengthy bill, and then I'll decide that, you know what, I don't want to spend $1,000 at Aritzia this time. So I thought that it would be interesting to see what has been accumulating in my online shopping carts. If you are new or haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, hit the post notifications bell, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. It's just at Kiana Gabrielle _ and let's see what's in my online shopping cart. Okay, so let's start off with my favorite small business, Golden Blooms. If you follow me on Instagram or literally watch any of my YouTube videos, you know how obsessed I am with this online small business jewelry company. They sell gold filled and sterling silver jewelry pieces. I'm going to go into my shopping cart and I have 3 things in here for a total of $196. If you have never heard me talk about Golden Blooms before, they are affordable, good quality gold pieces. So the first thing in my cart is the pin drop necklace, and I have it in here for the 18-inch. There is also a 16-inch. This retails for $60 Canadian. All my pricing will be in Canadian because I live in Canada. What I love about this one is that it is so dainty and like it's barely noticeable. I'm all about dainty jewelry, from my rings to my necklaces to my earrings, and I like dainty jewelry because you can layer and stack them up nicely without them looking too chunky. The next thing in my shopping cart is the Sweetheart studs. These are 18 karat gold filled. I have been really into studs, and these ones are in the shape of cute little hearts. I've been really into studs because you don't have to take them out when you shower, which gold filled, I haven't watched my everyday jewelry collection. Gold filled is the most similar solid gold like knockoff. You can wear it in the shower, you can get it wet. Why I like studs is because you don't have to take them off when you go and take a shower. The last thing in my cart for Golden Blooms is the Huggies set, which includes the classic Huggies and the Charmer Huggies. The classic Huggies are something I've never seen before. They're chunkier, but they're not like super chunky. They are more of like a U or like a oval kind of shape, which is very different than what I've ever seen. The classic Huggies are 14 karat gold and they are lightweight and shower safe, which for chunky earrings is very common for them to be heavy and drag your ear down, which if you're putting it in a lobe piercing, or really any piercing, is very bad because it'll stretch your earlobe, and we just like don't want that. For the Charmer Huggies, they are 18 karat gold filled with 10 tiny cubic zirconium, and these are like your classic Huggy earring. Moving on to H&M. I love H&M, even though I know it's like still fast fashion, but I love H&M because they are affordable. The only downside is shipping to Canada is literally the worst. They take like a whole month. So the only 2 things I have in my cart are the wide high-waisted jeans, which retail for $39.99. I believe I have them in the denim blue, but they also offer it in a dark denim gray and a light denim blue. I'm trying to get more jeans, but I also want good quality jeans, but I also want jeans that fit me. These high-waisted jeans are right up my alley. I'm in love with a straight leg, maybe a little bit of a flare, definitely not boot cut, high-waisted denim, because I think that just looks the best on my body. I think it elongates, but the thing about high-waisted jeans is there's sometimes a hit or miss on the sizing and the straightness of the leg. I like a more baggy leg, but sometimes they're more fitted, which is not good for me. And the only other thing in here is a 3-pack cotton bra tops, which I love a good bandeau for lounging, going out. It's just easy to throw on. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a bra because that is literally the worst when it feels like you're wearing a bra. So I have the black color set and these are $17.99. So moving on to Indigo. If you have no idea what Indigo is, it's basically Barnes & Noble in Canada. They are primarily a bookstore, but they also sell everything from house things to wellness to paper goods to fashion to electronics. So my cart is at a value of $54.20, and the first thing in my cart is for $19.20. It's on sale from $24. It is the, I want to say Electrum, could be wrong, Electrum 1917 medium A5 dotted hardcover journal in sage. I have been an avid like gratitude journal writer since the top of this year, but I am almost out of pages in my notebook. So this is in my cart because I'm looking for a new notebook, and I like dotted ones as opposed to like lines gridded, which is what I have now. And the next thing in my cart is actually from another small business called Mala the Brand, which is a soy candle company from Vancouver. And the one that I have in my cart is Sundays, which is lavender, apricot, and sandalwood. My favorite day of the week is Sundays, so I thought this was very fitting. This retails for $35, and they also sell these like on the actual Mala website. Moving on to Mejuri. Mejuri is a place where I always have things in my cart because I'm always obsessed with jewelry. They're also a Canadian-based company, and my cart value is at $290, but they do have free shipping to Canada and America, so it's very tempting. So the first thing in my cart is the beaded ring, which retails for $100, and all my rings are in the size 6, which, quick tip, if you want to know your ring size, it is essentially your shoe size as well. And I wanted this beaded ring because it is so similar to the Pandora beaded ring that I had before, but it was in sterling silver, but obviously this is 14 karat yellow gold, so it is way better quality. But I'm trying to replace all my silver rings from like high school into gold rings because I just think I'm in that mature stage of my life, so this is where I'm starting. I just can't bite the bullet to purchase this for $100, but it is definitely, well, obviously in my cart. And the other thing is a stacker ring, which is also in the size 6, retails for $95, and is 14 karat yellow gold, which is just a simple gold band. Thin gold band is exactly what I'm looking for, to be honest. And the last thing in my cart for Mejuri is the Golden Crew sweatshirt, which retails for $95 in the color bone in the size medium, just because I like oversized sweaters. I can't bring myself to purchase this one either because it is $95, but I do know that 100% of the proceeds go to Mejuri's empowerment fund for female empowerment. I don't know, this one I'm like really contemplating and like really holding it in my basket, but I know that it's like a limited supply and they actually launched today, but I'm like, I can't bring myself to pay $95 for a sweatshirt. Moving on to the last store, and probably the one that I have always the most shit in my cart, is Aritzia. Aritzia is a Canadian-based company, if you didn't know, but it also has stores in America now, and it's becoming very, very popular, which sucks for people who are so accustomed to Aritzia. But I currently have 5 things in my cart. So for my Aritzia cart, the value of it is $136.73 with tax. The first thing in my cart is the Wilfred Free Yuma tank, which retails for $40 in the color white and in a size small. I am just a sucker for Wilfred tanks, and I have one in the color green, and this one is just so cute. It's a square neck tank. It's very like corset-esque, but not so intense, and it's so pretty. Guaranteed I'm gonna buy it. Not now, but eventually I probably will. The next thing in my cart is on sale from $45 to $35, and it is the main character Lila fringe scarf. I have it in the Heather Light Bone color. I already have the blanket scarf from Aritzia, but I'm trying to just get like a regular, like actual scarf. I really can't find it in myself to spend $35 on a scarf, but also winter in Canada is literally like 10 months out of the year. But also, do I really need another scarf? But also, it's so fucking cold that like, yes, I think I do. The next two things are two of literally the same thing. They are both the main character peak beanie. One of them is in seagrass green and then the other one is in heather light cool gray. I actually already own this hat. Yes, I do. I own it in black. It's just I lost it sometime within the quarantine, so it's in my house somewhere. I just don't know where. It is my favorite hat. It is literally just a black beanie, but it is my favorite hat because it doesn't move from my head because I have a big head and I really want it. I just don't know where it is. And I can't bring myself to buy another beanie because I know I have it. I know I didn't leave it at school back in March of 2020. I know that I have it somewhere in my house. It's just I don't know where. The last thing in my Aritzia online shopping cart and just in all of my shopping carts is pretty fitting for the time that we're in. It is the Aritzia Community Skull Cotton Face Mask in lilac mauve that retails for $10. I don't think I need to explain myself. I think we all love our mask to match our outfit. Not that we're really going anywhere. And that is everything that is in all of my online shopping carts. Let me know what is in your online shopping cart because I'm curious and I want to add more things to mine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new or haven't done so already. Hit the post notifications bell and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!